Daddy's working, huh? Can you say hi, Taylor? Can you say hi? Hi. You doing your letters? Oh, you are doing a fabulous job, huh? Are you taking them off? You gonna put them back in? Can you sing your ABCs? Can you do your ABCs? What if I sing with you? Should I sing with you? Ready? A, B, C, D. Are you gonna do it too? A, B, C, D, E, F, G. You gonna sing them? Can you sing the wheels on the bus go round and round? Say wheels on the bus go round and round. You're a butthead. Emily. Emily. Come here. Come here. Em. Come here. Come here. Hi. Can you blow kisses? Come here. Come here. Are you going to sing your ABCs now? Come here. Come on, Yeah, go Emmy, right? Say go.
Go, Mommy.
Come on, Come on. There you go. Come on. Come on. Come here. Yeah, go, Emmy. Go, 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 go. Come on, Come on. Come on, You can do it. You want to help her stand up? You can go help her stand up? You're such a good big sister, huh? Well, help her pick her up. Come on, Come on, Emily.
It's my pillow.
Is that your pillow? That is pretty. That's a pretty pillow. What are you doing? Oh, are you a princess? Oh, look at that princess dress. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Yeah.
I'm not too big anymore.
Not too big anymore? Fits you just right, huh? It's so. Is Daddy gonna come home soon?
Daddy's on my desk.
You wanna show Daddy your dress?
Yeah.
Should we show him this video?
Yeah.
Yeah? Do you wanna say something to Daddy?
Yeah.
Say something. Say something to the camera.
Say I love my daddy.
Say, I love you, Daddy.
I love you, daddy.
Can you give him kisses? Mwah. Good job.
Daddy.
There she goes. There she goes. Oh, no, no, no. You can do it. Come on, Ems. Good job. Yay. Yay. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Woo. So good. So good. All right, you guys. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Daddy.
Say love you.
Yeah, I love you.
Say I'll see you soon.
I'll see you soon, Daddy.
All right, your turn. Blow kisses. Can you blow kisses? Mwah. Okay, wave bye-bye. Wave bye-bye.
Bye.
All right.
Bye, guys.